Okay, Brian. What we're looking at today is a 2025 TX300 Heritage. We just got these in. This one came off a truck in the last 2 days or so. This is actually a customer bike, so you will see some accessories on it. Couple $100 upcharge versus a regular TX, but boy does it make a difference. And you get some interesting things about it. Obviously, the most notable right here is a Pro Taper pad here on the bars. You're going to get a different graphic set, or a different plastic set here. I do like the color block. Simple and clean nature of these. Very retro. I like the stripes up here on the tank spoilers. So a really nice looking bike. Now this one again is more of a dress up versus adding performance parts to it. But with the TX, the couple things that you always get the mapping switch as a part of that. That's nice. For those watching, remember this is a TX, so it is a pre-mixed bike. You're not going to see an oil injection cap there for the reservoir. Otherwise, what this gentleman did, we added a few things. This bike is going to its new home tomorrow morning. On this side, we put an gnarly pipe on. We put a turbine core. We put a fan on this bike, an SXS skid. So we did put a couple of nice little pieces on at this gentleman's request. If I recall, also, if you get on the other side, yeah, we do have a bulletproof TPS guard on here as well, through throttle position sensor guard. Otherwise, you know, it's a really nice package. Not only do they have this package in the TX, but I've got a whole bunch of TEs with this as well. In fact, yeah, the TE is gonna, there's a TE down on the end, Brian, we'll get to in a second, but it's a real nice way to, for not much more money, differentiate yourself versus other bikes on the trail. I think you and I can both agree that this TX/XC motor is just an absolute animal. It's a horse. We like it. This is still running the closed cartridge forks on it, still running the exact shock on the back. Since we are running since this is a Husky, we do have the DID wheels on here, the DID Dirt Stars. So a great wheel package. Now what's interesting is on the 25, so I'm still seeing an AT81 coming in on the back and MX33 come in on the front. We will get to the new 300 XCW factory in a moment, where we're seeing some new rubber on them.
Yeah.
So good tire set. We still like them. I love the MX33, but of course that's going to be short-lived as it goes to the MX34 very shortly. And the AT82 is coming very, very quickly. So wheel set's going to change as well. But overall, hey Summit, hey buddy. So you're going to see like I said, there's a number of these coming in the marketplace. We still do have some for sale. We've got TE Heritage for sale, and they've run that Heritage theme across multiple models. I've got FE501S and 350S, as well as some FX 350s in this same Heritage livery here. So nice looking bike, great bike. Yeah.
Stoked. Gorgeous, actually, with that blue. That blue is definitely growing on me. I love that now that the camera's out, Summit's here. It's awesome. You know, don't you? Really, really cool looking bike. I like the little ads with the TX on the swing arm. Really kind of cool additions there. But this is a ripper of a bike, man. This is, in my opinion, this motor is possibly the best two-stroke motor ever built. That's just my opinion. I think they're incredible. They rip, they hill climb like no other two-stroke I've ever had. So, love these bikes. They're great. Yeah, you agree, don't you, Summit? Well, thanks for looking. We'll keep an eye out. We're going to do a couple bikes, and one of them is going to be the TE Heritage as well. Thanks a lot, guys.